Okay. See, it's still functioning, still recording. And there it is. Alright, I'll just give it some time. I'll tell you when. Okay. Oh man. Alright, go for it, go for it. Wait, careful not. Don't, yeah. Oh man. That was way more intense than I thought. Alright, just keep going. Yeah, it just doesn't want to go. And okay. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, so showing you guys a quick look from the back and from the front. And we're gonna try and see if I could get this footage, guys.
So it wasn't until 24 hours later that I managed to finally see some life in this device after letting the phone dry outside, taking the battery out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in, syncing it in the computer. Finally the buttons lit up and I actually managed to browse the home screen, some of the applications, the camera app, but as you guys can see, the back of the cover just completely shriveled up into one piece of plastic. And unfortunately, guys, I did try and retrieve that footage, but I was unable to. It was labeled as some sort of broken video file, and I did everything I can. It was over 2 hours long, so
It's a little late. Okay. Let's just watch this. You guys can't even see that. It's currently at 12 seconds. 14, 15, 17, 18, 20. Just want to make sure you guys can see that. It is a little bit tough. Almost at 30 seconds now. 30 seconds. 33. This is doing really, really well. Almost at 40. 40 seconds. Can we just get to a minute? I would be honestly truly amazed if it can get up to a minute without any issues with the display. And considering the screen is cracked, that's pretty amazing. It's 55. I'm not smelling anything, so I think we're good too. It just hit a minute, so I'm going to try and show you guys a little better view. It's really, really difficult because the water is just really deep, but it is over a minute now. I'm going to see what happens if I go ahead. Oh. Flip it. Just boiling some Galaxy S5 for breakfast. No big deal. Okay. Wow. That is amazing. I'm sure we're over 2 minutes now. What does it say here? 7 applications have been closed. Your device is overheating. Yeah, just keep overheating. That's not what I want to know. Okay. No. Don't get in there. Okay. So I guess what they meant by water resistant is I'm assuming it could just survive extremely burning hot temperature, because I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Probably going over 3 minutes now, and display is still working. So I'm going to go ahead and actually get this out, and I'll show you guys what's up with that. Okay guys, so I just rinsed it with some cold water, and it just a moment ago underneath here it said your device is overheating again. But and I do feel like it's getting hot again even after rinsing it with cold water, but it does seem to be slowly functioning again. Although I do feel like it's trying to do something on its own. As you can see right there, it's pressing different things. I don't know what it's trying to do, but I'm going to go ahead and check if the stopwatch is still playing, or if it's still running. If I can. Whoa. Okay. This is, oh man, this is amazing. It's like a movie. One more time, come on. yeah, my personal solution would be this. So it's going to show me here a square of 0. Well, I'm going to show them something of my own. Hope you guys can see that. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, who is the winner now? The way, and I'm going to go ahead and start slow, and then progressively I'll try and increase the amount of force I put into this. So, let's go ahead and first just drop. Simply drop the hammer. That was about maybe just a couple inches, but you can see absolutely nothing. Glass stood up to it. Let's try that one more time. And again, nothing. So now I'm going to start actually using some force. I'm going to start actually right in the middle. So 2 kind of small to medium hits, nothing. And there you go. You just need a little bit more power and you will see the crack. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to hammer this guy all the way to its death.